Hello, I'm Bruce Granger with NaturaLawn of America, and today we were going to discuss shade issues. So the warm season grasses all are full sun grass. St. Augustine is the only one that'll tolerate shade, and it still doesn't like it, but that's the only one that'll do good in the shade. Bermuda is another turf that is being planted on some of the newer subdivisions. The problem with Bermuda is it does not like shade. So you can see I have a Bermuda lawn. I fertilize this entire lawn the same way when I do fertilize. It looks pretty good. We need rain. We're getting into a drought situation, but it looks good except in the shade. So there's no difference between this area and what we were just looking at other than this pecan tree and the shade. And you can see Bermuda does not tolerate shade. So what are the options? If you have shade and issues, you got to go with St. Augustine. So you can see in this area, it's just as shady as we are over there, but St. Augustine will tolerate the shade and do very well, where the Bermuda does not. And this we just tried to get started in here. We planted a few sheets of sod, and it's starting to run out and fill in because there's nothing else here. Where Bermuda will not grow, the St. Augustine is actually taking over.